Hi, it's Amy, and today we're going to do a nice bright rainbow cuff with black nails. Enjoy. So for this we're going to use 7 colours in total, but to start we're going to use Burlesque, Jaffa Cake, Sherbet Lemon, Shamrock and the Doctor. And we're going to lay a colour, 2 layers of each colour on the nails. So to start we're going to use Burlesque on the thumb, remembering of course to pull them cuticles back so you can get right up to them. Then Jaffa Cake, which is nice bright orange. Sherbet Lemon. Shamrock. And then the Doctor. And then pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So go in for your second layer, your second coat on each nail. Pop that in for 30 seconds, and then with some gel residue wipe off solution and a lint free pad, we're just going to take that sticky layer off. Right, then with Serious Black, after we've took the sticky layer off, we're going to go and put that up, but not quite all the way. Right, then we're going to do a second coat just to fill in any blanks, making sure we get down the sides. Pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds because it's black. We're going to go in with Urban Graffiti top coat and top coat all the fingers, making sure to put it up to the cuticle and getting that free edge. Popping that in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then finishing off with my favourite cuticle oil, Pink Pineapple, just to rehydrate those cuticles. And there we have a really cute rainbow cuff. If you've enjoyed this video, please feel free to give us a like and drop us a comment in the comment box below. All the products that we've used today will be in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Bye.